Welcome to today's video, how to make money with freelance writing. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps to launch a successful freelance writing career and start earning income doing what you love. So, let's dive right in. If you're passionate about writing and want to turn it into a lucrative career, freelance writing is an incredible option. Here are 10 key steps to help you get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. Step 1 is to identify your niche. Determine what type of writing you excel at or what subjects you're passionate about. Finding your niche will make it easier to target clients and stand out in a crowded market. Research the demand for your niche. Look for popular topics, explore job boards, and check out competitor websites to understand the industry landscape. Once you have a clear niche in mind, it's time for Step 2. Step 2, build your portfolio. Building a portfolio is crucial for attracting clients. Start by creating a website or a blog where you can showcase your writing samples and share your expertise. It's your virtual calling card. When starting out, consider offering your writing services at a discounted rate, or even doing some pro bono work to gain experience and build. Step 3, create a professional proposal. Step 3 is all about creating professional proposals. When reaching out to potential clients, customize your proposals to address their specific needs. Highlight your relevant experience and how you can add value to their projects. Remember, a well-crafted proposal increases your chances of getting hired. So invest time in perfecting this essential skill. Step 4, network and collaborate. Step 4 is all about networking and collaboration. Join online writing communities, attend industry events, and connect with fellow writers. Collaborating with other freelancers can lead to referrals and valuable partnerships. Networking opens doors to new opportunities and helps you stay updated with industry trends. Embrace the power of a supportive writing community. Step 5, pitch to clients. Step 5 is about pitching to clients. Identify potential clients who align with your niche and reach out to them directly with personalized pitches. Craft compelling pitches that highlight your expertise and explain how you can solve their problems or meet their content needs. Persistence is key, so don't be discouraged by rejection. Keep refining your pitches and learning from each experience. Step 6, define your target audience. Step 3 is all about defining your target audience. Determine who your ideal clients are based on your niche and the type of content you enjoy creating. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts and attract the right clients. Understand their needs, pain points, and content preferences. The better you know your target audience, the more effectively you can communicate with them and offer valuable solutions. Step 6, market your services. Step 6 is all about marketing your services. Promote yourself as a freelance writer through various channels. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to showcase your expertise and connect with potential clients. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing journey today. I hope you found this video on how to make money with freelance writing insightful and inspiring. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel.